Today topic is transitive closure of a graph. Already you know graph contains vertex and edges. Transitive closure of graph representing G asterisk, that is V comma H asterisk. J asterisk for every vertex pair V comma W in V, there is an edge E star. If and only if there is a valid path from V to W in G. In this example, to find transitive closure can use these two algorithms, that is Floyd-Warshall algorithm and DFS algorithm. Consider this graph. Here there are 5 vertex. Okay, here there are 5 vertex. First we have to calculate the adjacency matrix. Already you know about the adjacency matrix. It's nothing but to representing path from what is what. Okay, here 1 2 3 4 5 likewise matrix form. Then representing path if 1 to 2. Here direct path, so putting 1. Likewise remaining all others 0. In adjacency matrix, what are the vertex has direct path means that is representing 1, otherwise representing 0. So 1 to 2 1, 2 to 3 2 to 3 1, then 3 to 4 3 to 4 1, 4 to 5 1, then 5 to 3, because here direction is 5 to 3, so 5 to 3 1, remaining all representing 0. This is adjacency matrix. From the matrix we calculate A plus. A plus is nothing but to accept indirect or intermediate path. Okay, intermediate path means here 1 to 2 direct path possible. If 1 to 3 means 1 to 3 no direct path but intermediate path available, that is 1 to 2 2 to 3. So here representing 1 to 2 1, 1 to 3 1. So likewise 1 to 4 no direct path but intermediate path is 1 to 2 2 to 3 3 to 4. Likewise 1 to 5 no direct path but intermediate path is 1 to 2 2 to 3 3 to 4 4 to 5. Likewise we representing in intermediate path is available means that representing 1, others are representing 0. This is the A plus. Next one is A asterisk. A asterisk is representing transitive closure. A plus calculation from adjacency matrix. Here only direct path only applicable, only put 1. In A plus intermediate path also applicable, so we are in this case putting 1, remaining only 0. A asterisk means intermediate path also applicable as well as diagonal also. Self loop also consider as 1. Here 1 comma 1 means self loop. In this diagram no self loop, but if I comma I applicable means that is also 1. 1 comma 1 also 1, 2 comma 2 also 1, 3 comma 3 also 1, 4 comma 4 also 1, 5 comma 5 also 1. So here we are putting diagonal part, that is all representing 1. Okay, this A asterisk from A plus, whatever appear in A plus, likewise A asterisk. Only one difference is here diagonal representing 0. Only path available only putting 1, but in transitive closure all diagonal part representing value 1. In this case, this is called transitive closure. This is called transitive closure, that is direct path also representing 1, intermediate path also representing 1, diagonal part also, that is self loop also representing 1. Remaining part only 0. This representation of 0 is called reflexive transitive closure. This is called transitive closure. The zero value process means whatever place we are indicating a 0 means that is called reflexive transitive closure. This is the representing of transitive closure of a graph. Normal particular graph representing adjacency matrix means only direct path. A plus means intermediate path also applicable. Transitive closure, that is A asterisk, means diagonals also representing 1, intermediate path also, intermediate process also representing 1, remaining only indicating 0. Here what are the properties are A plus and A star, difference between in the terms on the diagonal. In A plus and A asterisk, only difference in the diagonal. A plus means I comma I equal to 1 if there is a cycle of length greater than or equal to greater than 1. A asterisk means I comma I is always 1. I comma I means always diagonal part 1. There is a path length 0. Normally 1 to 1, 2 to 2, 3 to 3, all length representing only 0. But here in this 0 always representing 1, because in transitive closure diagonal part always representing 1. A plus from the final matrix, obtained from final matrix by letting A plus of I comma j equal to 1 if A of ij less than plus infinity. A asterisk can be obtained from A plus by setting all diagonal elements equal 1. A plus from matrix, that is adjacency matrix. A asterisk from A plus. The total time is order of n cube, that is because we are representing n into n matrix, so the time is order of n cube. A plus from computing matrix, adjacency matrix. A asterisk can be obtained from A plus. This is your work. You have to calculate or find the transitive closure for this graph. Note it. Likewise, you have to find the transitive closure for this graph. Transitive closure means what? Direct path also representing, this is the transitive closure. Direct path also representing 1. Self loop part also representing, that is 1 to 1, 2 to 2, 3 to 3, 4 to 4 also representing 1. Intermediate path also representing 1. Here 1 to 2 direct path 1. 1 to 3 no direct path, but intermediate path is 1 to 2, 2 to 3. So here 1 to 3 representing also 1, likewise 1 to 4 representing also 1 to 5 also representing 1. Transitive closure means diagonal also representing 1, direct path also representing 1, intermediate path also representing 1. That's all transitive closure. Thank you.